Welcome to Beaverton Toyota, where clear means the best service. And here's how it works. Log on to our website and make an appointment. You can even do it from your phone, and you'll receive a text confirmation with information about your appointment. When you arrive for your service, just pull up to the high-speed garage doors, and you'll be instructed to pull in out of the elements. You'll be immediately greeted at your window and introduced to your service advisor, who will stay in contact with you during your visit via text message, email, or in person. You'll then be welcomed into our customer lounge, where we invite you to make yourself at home. Visit our cafe, enjoy free Wi-Fi, and relax while your vehicle is getting its multi-point inspection. When you get the text that your vehicle is finished, your advisor will show you to the cashier for easy payment. After some quick paperwork, you'll get your keys and will be shown to your vehicle. Your satisfaction is always our goal in sales and in service. We invite you to experience clear at Beaverton Toyota.